Look, I was going to go easy on you, not to hurt your feelings. But I'm only going to get this one chance.
Hi guys, Eyeballs here. So today we are going to be doing a makeup look, pass, fail, or otherwise. The reason why I am taking control of this YouTube tutorial is because I feel like with foundation and all that other stuff, it's really up to the person. So you know, what works for me may not work for you, etc, etc. So the one thing that we can agree on is that eyeshadow is universal and you can create the same look more or less with the same palette. So we'll just get started. So a disclaimer, I am using my human today and we are just going to be doing eyeballs, and I'm not a makeup artist, but I'm just doing what I've seen other people do on YouTube as well as what I know how to do. Do you guys ever feel like you just do what you see? Like, oh yeah, I seen that, that looks cute, I'm gonna try and do that. That's what we're doing today. So, you know. It comes with a mirror, and here are the colors. These are very pigmented, very bright. So the swatches we're gonna do are the top three: circadian rhythm, whatever that says I can't read backwards, and whatever that says I can't read backwards. So this is circadian rhythm. This is REM sleep. And this is unconscious. We'll flip to the other side and do delta waves, dream within a dream, and conscience. Now tell me that isn't beautiful. Now there are many other colors, but those are just the ones that I wanted to point out because I thought they looked extremely beautiful. So let's just get into this toot. So first we're going to start off with Intuition, which is the lighter brown color after I get this crust out of my eyeball. Alright, so first we're going to, again, take this transition shade, put it over the lid. Try not to go blind because it's getting in my eyelashes. Alright, so now that I said transition shade, got your attention, so you think I know what I'm doing. I'm going to go back in with Vision, which is kind of a darker brown color. Just because that's what I see people do, and it looks about right. Alright, next we'll take Premonition, which is kind of a brown, yellowy color. Orange, whatever, I'm colorblind. We're going to put that on there and just blend it in. Yes, I am using the same brush because I'm poor and gotta get my money's worth. We are going to take the shade Breathe, which is a dark blue color. That's how it picks up on the brush. And we are going to go in the outer corner. So this is new for me. I've never done this, but because I see people do it, I'm going to go in the inner corner. Right, now that that looks a complete mess, I'm going to do something that I also saw on YouTube and Facebook and pretty much everybody and their mom do. I'm going to take some concealer and just put that in the center. Alright, now that looks somewhat like I have a clue. I'm going to take the shade Unconscious and go in right on top of that. Alright, now that I feel that it's pretty packed on there, I'm just going to blend the two together. Maybe go back over the outer corner with that blue again. Lightly press on white noise. And lightly press, because this is an iridescent white. Alright, now I'm going to clean up around my eye and face because there is a lot of fallout. So I recommend not doing your face before you do this. So it does smudge. Be right back. Alright, so I am back. I just popped on a lash, did my one eyebrow for the gram. At first I wasn't really feeling this look, but now I absolutely love it. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Alright, so one of the last things we're going to do is pop in an inner corner color, which I use white noise, and we're just going to lightly press that in there. And I lightly press it in there because this can tend to get a little messy. This color photographs really well. I'm going to go underneath the eye with that color conscious. In the outer corner, I'm going to do the darker blue again. Alrighty, ladies and germs, fishes and worms, tell me how I did. Tell me what you liked about it. If you would like to see more videos like this, just let me know below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So now I'm going to take another picture for the gram, wipe this off, pull off my one lash, and get back into bed. Until next time, that's all I can really do. Can't say peace, but I can wink my eye at you. So subscribe. Just kidding. But do subscribe. Okay, bye.